Have you ever wondered how people become millionaires through investing? Maybe you've heard stories like someone turning their $1,000 into $10,000 or maybe even more. The truth is, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone that's willing to start, and that includes you. Today I'm breaking down how you can start investing even if you're a complete beginner. This video will serve you as a guide to understanding how money works, why inflation is your silent enemy, and how you can start investing to make your money grow. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the basic knowledge to take the first step towards your financial freedom. Let's kick things off with a crucial concept: inflation. Imagine this: in 1970, a cup of coffee used to cost around 25 cents, and fast forward to today, the same cup of coffee costs about $4 or more. That's inflation. It's how the value of your money decreases over time while the prices of the goods increase. If you keep your money in a safe or even a basic savings account that's earning 2% interest, it's actually losing its value because inflation is growing faster than that. Think of inflation as a treadmill. You need to keep moving just to stay at the same place. And if you want to move ahead financially, that's where investing comes into play. To illustrate this further, let's consider some numbers. Let's say you put $1,000 into a basic savings account that's earning 2.5% interest annually. After 30 years, you will have about $2,100. That's barely keeping up with inflation. However, if you invest the same $1,000 into an asset that's earning 10% annually, and by the end of the 30 years, you will have about over $17,000. Sounds insane, right? That's the power of investing. Your money isn't just sitting idle, it's actually working for you. Here's the deal: savings is important, but savings alone won't grow your money. Inflation eats away at it like a silent predator. Investing, that's how you build real wealth. Let's break it down further. When you're investing in real estate or stock, you're not just saving your money, you're allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Let's consider real estate for example. If you buy a property for $200,000 and rent it out, the value of it appreciates over $300,000. That's capital appreciation. That's why people invest. They want their money to work harder for them. Investment comes in many forms: stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, even commodities like gold and silver. Simply put, investment is something which you buy with an expectation that its value will grow over time or generate income for you, like rents or dividends. Let's take stocks as an example. When you buy a stock of Apple or Google, you're purchasing a small piece of that business. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, so does the value of your stock. You can earn money in two ways. First, through capital appreciation, buying low and selling high. The second is through dividends. A portion of the company's profit is paid to the shareholders. For instance, if Apple share costs $100 today and increases to $150, that's a $50 gain. Plus, if they pay $2 per share as dividends during that time, you earn that too. Now let's dive deeper into the stock market. Buying shares has never been easier. Gone are the days where you have to call a stockbroker to buy a stock. We have several online platforms that's perfect for beginners who are looking to jump into investing. Simply sign up for an account and deposit some funds and you are ready to invest. Before you dive headfirst into buying stocks, let's discuss strategy. My biggest advice: avoid picking individual stocks as a beginner, and it can be risky and requires a lot of research. Instead, consider index funds or ETFs, which are called exchange traded funds. Index fund is a basket of stocks that tracks the market index like the S&P 500 or Nifty 50. This gives you instant diversification, meaning less risk and more consistent growth over time. By investing in index fund rather than individual stock, you're spreading out your risk while still participating in the market's growth. So let's recap. Inflation is your enemy and investing is your ally. And index funds are a great place to start for beginners. Remember, you don't need a ton of money to start. Just start small as you build up the habit and keep learning more about investing. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Also, comment down below what your first investment is going to be. I'd love to hear about your journey. Until next time, this is Praveen Kumar signing off.